In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to open your workspace, switch to the Kanban view, add a task, focus on work in progress, and customize your statuses so your board matches your process. First, open your web browser and go to clickup.com. This is the starting point for everything we'll do. If you plan to use Kanban regularly, consider bookmarking the site so you can jump back in quickly throughout the day. Next, click Login. Sign in with your preferred method, whether that's email and password or a single sign-on provider. Keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing them, especially if you're recording or presenting your screen. After signing in, you'll see your available workspaces and accounts. Click on the account you want to use so ClickUp opens the correct environment for your team. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check you're entering the one where your project lives. From your sidebar or project list, open your project. In this walkthrough, it's labeled Project 1, but yours may have a different name. The key is to enter the specific project where you want to visualize tasks on a board. At the top, click View. ClickUp supports multiple ways to look at the same work, and this menu is where you choose between List, Board, Calendar, and more. For a Kanban-style workflow, select Kanban. Your tasks will now appear in columns grouped by status, typically starting with something like To Do, then In Progress, and finally, Done. This layout helps you see the flow of work at a glance. To add a new card to your board, click Add Task. Give it a short, action-oriented title so it's easy to scan on the board. You can add details like assignees, due dates, or descriptions later, but a clear title is the most important starting point. To review active work, click the In Progress column. This is where tasks that are currently being worked on should live, making it your go-to spot for daily check-ins and stand-ups. For fine-tuning your workflow, open the Group Options menu on the board. This menu controls how your columns behave and how tasks are organized on the board. Then click Edit Statuses. Here you can tailor your pipeline by renaming, adding, reordering, or removing statuses to match your team's process. Keep the flow simple and meaningful so tasks move forward clearly from start to finish. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, switched to Kanban, added a task, focused on work in progress, and learned where to customize your statuses.